Hello viewers, let's clear the confusion of Windows Start, Windows Quick Access, Windows Taskbar with regard to Pin, Unpin, Favorite, remove from favorites in Windows Start, Quick Access or Taskbar in just 2 minutes. So if I right click on Windows icon, so Pin to Quick Access and Pin to Start appears. However, if I click on any installed app, so right click and Pin to Start or Add to Favorites appear. Now open Quick Access by Windows button plus E or simply open My Computer, and now go up and click Home. You can now see Quick Access, and below let me open Favorites and let's start. Now let me use Add to Favorites. So right click on this text editor and Pin to Start and Add to Favorites appear. Let me click Add to Favorites and it appears in Favorites. On the same way, I can bring from recent or shared file favorites by the same method. You can see it. Now let's remove it from Favorites. Right click and select Remove from Favorites. So it's gone now and the text editor has been removed from favorites. Now let me open Start Area. If I click on Windows sign, so you can see this is Start Area. Now let's use it so you may get it clear. Let's use Pin to Start and let me right click on this text editor. Let me click Pin to Start. And now it will go to start. So in case if I click Windows button, so LibreOffice has been added to start. Now let me right click on this Windows recycle bin and let me select Pin to Quick Access. So now it will appear in Quick Access. Just see in the red circle, it's added. Now let me open Start Area. Let me click Windows sign and note the start icons, and let me go to Windows recycle bin, right click and let me click or select Pin to Start, and it will appear in Start. Just open Start and it appear in red circle. Now let me show you Pin to Taskbar. So let me right click on LibreOffice and when it appears, so Pin to Taskbar, and now it will go display on the below ribbon of Taskbar. It appear in red circle. Now let me use Unpin from Start. So open Start and right click on LibreOffice. Now select Unpin from Start and it disappear from the red circle or Start. Now let's use Unpin from Taskbar and let me come to LibreOffice, right click and click Unpin from Taskbar. Note the red circle, it disappear. Now let's use Unpin from Quick Access. So let me right click on recycle bin and let me select Unpin from Quick Access and it will disappear shortly. You see this in red circle, it disappear. All these three, Windows Start, Windows Quick Access and Windows Taskbar, would have been clear regarding Pin, Unpin, Favorite, Unfavorite. Thanks for watching.